Welcome to Notability, specifically dividers and subjects. In this tutorial, you will review how to make a divider, review how to make a subject, learn how to move a subject into another divider, and finally, how to move a subject within an existing divider. Adding and moving subjects in a divider. A little review of the difference between a subject and a divider. A divider is what's going to store your subjects. The subject is where I organize and store my content. So let's start off by creating two dividers. So I'm going to go up to the plus button. I'm going to select Create Divider. And I'm going to call this divider Chemistry 1. Then I'm going to tap Done. Now I'm going to create a second divider because I have another chemistry class. So again, I'm going to hit the plus button. I'm going to select Divider, and I'm going to call this one Chemistry 2. And then I'm going to select Done. Now I want to create subjects within these dividers to organize my chemistry unit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the plus button again. I'm going to hit Create Subject, and then I'm going to give a subject name. Now, the important thing to note, which I did not include in the last tutorial, which I realized that was a mistake. When a subject is created, it is automatically going to default into the most recently created divider. So you need to move your newly created subject into the appropriate divider, and that is what we're going to focus on here. So let me name this new subject, and let's call it Atomic Structure 1, period 4, and then it's done. So you can see that that subject automatically went to the bottom, and by default it's in the Chemistry 2 divider, because if I click on the triangle next to it, my subject is going to disappear and it's going to be in that Chemistry 2 divider. So let's bring that back. Let's add another subject. So select Create Subject, and I'm going to call this Atomic Structure 1, period 6. And I need to make sure that every subject that I create, no matter where it is located, has to be unique. You cannot have subject folders that are exactly the same name. Notability will not allow you to do that. So again, I'm going to hit Done. So now I have two new subjects. They have both appeared on the bottom of my list. And again, if I click on the triangle next to Chemistry 2, I will see them disappear, and you can see the number 2 over on the right hand side. That means I have two subjects within that Chemistry 2 divider. But let's say I don't want those subjects there. So I'm going to select the triangle, see both of them. I'm going to go up to the Edit button and select that. And then I have this icon off to the side, these three lines. So what I can do is tap and hold on that three-lined icon and drag and drop it into the divider that I want. So I'm going to tap and hold, I'm going to drag it up, and now it is in the Chemistry 1 divider. How do I check that? Well, I'm going to select Done, and then I can see that that subject appears right under Chemistry 1, the new one, Atomic Structure 1, period 4, and then if I tap on that triangle, there's that one off to the side. And if I click on my other triangle for Chemistry 2, again, my subject will appear as a number off to the side. So let's say I want to add another subject. I'm going to go to plus. I'm going to hit Create Subject. Let's say that this is going to be Bonding, period 4. I'm going to select Done. Now, we don't see that subject. Where is it? If I click on the triangle by Chemistry 2, there it is. It automatically went into the most recently created divider. I don't want Bonding period 4 there. I want that up in my Chemistry 1 divider. So again, I'm going to select Edit. Those three lines come off to the side. I'm going to tap, hold, and drag it so it appears under Chemistry 1. I'm going to close the Chemistry 2 divider. I'm going to open the Chemistry 1 divider, and my Bonding period 1 is there. So now I'm going to select Done. Can you move existing subjects within a divider to organize them? Yes, you can. Let's go up to my AP Chemistry period 4 divider. Here I have 5 different subjects. Let's say that I want Electrochem period 4 on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Edit. I'm going to tap and hold on that icon next to Electrochem period 4. I'm going to drag it down until it goes underneath equilibrium. I'm going to let go, select Done, and now it has been moved within that divider. So hopefully this gives you a little bit more clarification about how to create a divider, how to create a subject, and how to move a subject either into a divider or rearrange within a divider.